Hello guys, I'm going to pick up Angel from school. And why am I doing this talk on the way while I'm going to bring Angel? Because I just wanted to show you all the beauty of this autumn, how beautiful it looks. As you all know, we had made this vlog before over here with Angel playing in this open play area. And today, look at this place, how beautiful it looks during autumn time. So look at this beauty, how beautiful it looks when you're walking in this kind of a weather. Very nice, peace, quiet, beautiful nature. It's just a breathtaking and admiring. Oh, in photo shoot be kelly kai like a trench to walk. Yeah, it's like an alleyway you go to. Very, very nice. And there's a small river that flows over here. Look at that. Very beautiful and very clean water.
Hello friends, now I'm back from school and it was really fun there. So we did you know what we did in school today? We did 2 maths, 2. We didn't do 1 today, we just did 2.
So Angel also is very excited and happy because she also gets an opportunity to ride a scooter. And honestly, most of the physical activities that you can see is just like only these things. While going to school with their scooters, walking or something like that. Going to passion buy a top of Tesco.
You know what everyone?
Yeah.
You know when you walk and do some scooters or run, those are exercise. But if you go if you're going to school and then you're just going by car, that's not exercising because you just sit in the car and drive. So that's not exercising.
Oh, you like it? So go with the scooter.
And faster. I like going by scooter because it's really fun.
Yeah, go.
Bye.
It's such a beautiful place, I'll tell you. It really looks nice. At this time, you know that some places in the world have facing so much chaos around them. There's so much chaotic things are happening. So much violence are happening. But we are blessed to be in a place where it's peace, nice, quiet, and the beauty. And mashes ko pana pade kid pada log I'm so dirty, nobody's cleaning. But you see how God has created a nature. We see on the pictures sometimes how beautiful that place is. Sometimes we unnoticed things, how beautiful things are around us as well. Like this place, if you all have seen before in a previous vlog where Angel used to play over here, and Angel used to on a scooter and all. Kisha also came. Now because the winter is happening, the autumn has started and the grass started growing up. It looks so green and nice, like a field. Beautiful. And this place, one thing what I like is these kind of places what are there, they are untouchable. The government doesn't come okay, construction building na. That's for public, it's public, safe for public.
I'm going from that hill.
No, you can't go on the hill now.
Oh, nice.
Show you this tree, in the autumn time what happens, all the leaves get dry and they shade off. So see at this. You see that, guys? This is an apple tree. And chopa gela in kitta apple poda hai dakhe tum kanse.
Apple.
So go jomne chahiye poda the apple. All apple.
Apple.
See, look at this. And this tree has got lot on that one. Jadi Kisha ya, Kisha.
Yay, Mama bought what? Wait, let me show you. Wow. Wow? Where to put that? Where? So put.
Ah, जाना पड़े.
So cute, baby.
Aye. Nice. Nice baby.
Then angel.
Thank you, Mama.
See, like it?
Oh,
Some more clouds.
cute. The pen.
Huh?
The pen.
Open. Is it thank you?
Thank you.
Mama, thank you for.
Thank you, Mama. Look at that. Wow.
Wow, more pens for you. Nice? You like it?
Ah, like it? So Nana dakoy, Nana dakoy, Nana dakoy.
Mama.
Nana. Nana, choy Nana.
Wow, nice looking, wow.
Nice.
Nice looking. Wow. Bolo dista. Wow. Okay. Bought shoes for Kisha. Kisha, show your shoes, baby. Wow. You like it? Kisha, you like it? Yes?
Papa.
Huh?
Cake.
You like it? Wow, you look nice. Dance and Chocobar? Huh? Ah, you like that? Tuk like zata? Oi?
I have
Tuk like zata Gobar?
bell. Yes.
Ah, dress. Where will go? Where will go? Uya, me. Out? Out, yeah?
Yeah.
Uya, Tia. Joyce, Tia.
Yes.
Joyce, Tia.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uya. Anjali.
Ashley.
Laishu.
Lashes. Out.
Where to go? Happy? 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 Me? Yeah. Angel, this is for you. Why? You threw that on the floor, right? So cloud elote yani?
She give. Take. Then
Huh?
this. Only we give you that.
Ah, that's for Angel now. Angel for you, okay?
Yeah.
Wow, Angel looking so nice.
Boo boo.
आता कितके आलगोते नानागे स्लीपर्स हाँ व्हाट इज दैट किशा आस्था ने अरे व्हाट इज दैट गो बेबी हाँ हाउ यू गोइंग टू रिमूव नाउ हाँ व्हाट यू कैन वॉक विथ दैट सो ही देखा किशा दादा उठलो कर ओ दादा कर उठलो कर चल रे दादा उठलो दादा उठलो किशा रेटिंग बसन रहा है तो Ashley were Nidla and now she is waiting until he comes down. तो दादा रहा था Kisha, you waiting for Dada? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. यांचं येतं ते राहुल तुका सोकोयल उठवलो म्हणून जाता तुक ते
Hello friends, and here we are back again at the end of the session of this vlog. I hope you all have enjoyed watching us in this vlog, especially the naughtiness of Angel and Kisha. Think kota thi choilan tumi kit kota thi chod cover ko pa melo na हमको जाते बस कित केला आम्ही ओई आणि स्पेशली हांवें तो एक ब्लॉग केल्लो लायक टू शो वायल गोईंग टू स्कूल टू ड्रॉप या सो वेन आय वेंट टू ड्रॉप एंजल्स टू स्कूल that time because I didn't wanted to show you like that tum choila I should drop angel before but what I wanted to show you all is the nature. Autumn is coming, it's looking so beautiful guys, I tell you what, breathtaking, really nice. But then this like same place ek time at green she answer like summer time but it's like but now it's getting like green pan is and very nice and how beautiful it is and kizale ao itala poro down gara ko ele tese shoot kono na first day second day this is yeah when I should call them. So first day when I was going, I was like so happy. And I was thinking, oh God, so nice, thank you, man. And when I came home and I was going on my phone, I browsed and I saw a clip El Maka from like a place in around the world where something like very war was happening. And I felt so bad, like त्या वक्ता म्हाका तेश कोन येतालें like how I'm blessed to be in a place where everything is safe and sound, whereas there are some people who are into dangers, like who are praying, who have no food, no shelter, nothing. They're living in fear that maybe next hour I'll be dead or the next day I might be dead or something. So कितली जायत परेशान ना बे जाते चल तुम्ही आता. And it's getting very happy and that's म्हणता हांव. So what I wanted to say guys is like the nature is so beautiful. We are really blessed to be in a place. It's so nice and beautiful. No matter what place we are staying, maybe I'm in UK or someone is in US, Canada, Goa, India, wherever in Asia, Europe, wherever they are, the best thing is like okay, if you're into a safe place and we are alive and we are safe and sound, that's all that matters. That is the beauty of life, like that we are safe and sound by the grace of God, because there are many people who want to take at least 10% of our life that we want to live. Yeah. Secondly, my kids are the most important when I narrated to these things, what about life like that brings us together with this beauty, and where do we get distracted? Distracted in sense, कित्याक लागून म्हणून पळय तें because there was a time I'm जेन्ना कामाक लागलें हांव I was we were very fortunate to be settled here very quickly. सगळे देवा कृपे everything very nice. It took us long years to settle down, to get onto a track where she could work on the right time, I could get a right time job. We will manage each other family time also, at the same time have a quality time with the family also. And it took a really long time. बरें तेंप लागलो आनी तें इट्स ऑल पॉसिबल बिकॉज आतां मामा आहा म्हणून नाद्यागे मामा हिंगा आहा म्हणून आमकां तें पॉसिबल जालां करपाक. हेज्या पयलीं नाद्या वयतालें शी गो फॉर पार्ट टायम आनी चड टायमूय काम करपाक मेळना तेका. सो हांव आतां कामाक वयता सो कितें जाता it's not only like your neighbors or friends or anything, it's just most like your mostly your relatives only will say yeah कित्याक पयर आमगे कोण येयलोलो अशें उलयता आसतना आमी उलोवपा पडलें तेकाय सेम प्रॉब्लम जाता वे कॉमेंट येताय की अरे बाबा तूं रातीको काम करता त्रास न्ही इतली तो बावडो बरो पयस दिता काम ही गो ड्रायव्ह व्हेरी फार लायक इट टेक्स अबाउट 45 minutes फॉर हिम टू ड्रायव्ह सो शी त्रास न्ही तुका इतली पयस वचपाक न्हीद जायना हें जायना सारकी हेल्था केअर घेवपा जाय. Who told you he's not well? Nobody told. Yeah, the person who comes and gives those kind of comment in your family, आता तू इमॅजिन तुम येवन मुगे बायले सांगले या तुम तेंगे कोणाकूय सांग कोण कोणागे फॅमिली कोण नायट कोता कितें कोता तेंगे सांगले ए तेका नायट करपा लायनाका तो पळय ते बरें न्ही ते नायट करप हाल दुयेंत पडटा ते कितें कितें जाता न्ही दुयेंत. वाय यू वॉन्ट टू पुट अ सीड ऑफ दॅट डाउट इन द माइंड or at least you won't appreciate it very nice I feel very like तुमचं मोटिवेशन दिसता तुमचं आम बॉ दिसता like how you all manage really आमकडे हे जावपा नाहलोले पण तुमी कोता हेड्स ऑफ द्या
like the other day say like there are some people like they demotivate so much की तेंगे गांव वचून म्हणटले तुका त्रास जाता न्ही तुका हें जाता न्ही तें जाता न्ही तें चोवपाना की हाटल्या बाबा ती बायल काम कोत्ता भुरग्यां चोयता जस्ट बिकॉज ते भुरग्यां चोवपा पडटा घर चोवपा पडटा कोण आदार ना तेका लागून ते घार रावपा पडटा इट डजंट मीन की ते कामा वचपा नाक म्हणून ते घार बसोन आहा अँड देन ओन्ली द हजबंड हॅज टू वर्क इट्स नॉट लायक दॅट सगळ्यांक काम करून दिसता बट ते हें आसता लायक हांवूय पयलें वेन आय वॉज लायक किशान नासलोलें एंजल नासलोलें हांवूय कामां सुसेगाद वचून सुसेगाद येतालें बट टायम लागता सगळें हें करपा लायक जाग्यार पडपाक मामा येयलो आहा म्हणून आमगे सगळें जाग्यार पडलां आनी म्हाका कामां वचों मेवता एंड फूल टायम बट पयलीं पार्ट टायम करपाचें येयलें घरान
काय ना
मातशें म्हाका केशलें हॉर्सान धाडटालो कित्याक की हांव घार बसून आहा म्हणून मुगे मायंड रिलॅक्स करपाक की लायक तूं घारा बसून बसून कितें 4 वरोस आपूण मॅनेज कोत्ता एशें कोन्न म्हणटा म्हाका सांगून धाडटालो आनी आय रियली टू फील गूड बिकॉज घाराको ती 4 लायक भुरगीं इट्स गुड लायक यू नो बट एक एक फावट फ्रस्ट्रेट जाताय मनशां घरा रावन रावन ते लोक चोयना की बाबा ती घरा कडेन हाय केश को मॅनेज कोत्ताय आसतोली एकू वर्ड लायक यू नो वेल डन लायक यू नो तुम कितली बरे भाशेन पळयताय हें कोताय सगळें मॅनेज कोताय तेसो जायना सांगपा काड जालाय दोळे हें जालें तुगे केंस पिकल्याय आनी
Te uba. So no, I'm honestly, jokes apart, my heads off from my side and K2N family to those mothers who really take care of their family staying at home. जे कोण पळयताय न्ही आनी जे कोण कॉमेंट पास करता तांकां सांगता हांव चड करून please stop commenting like this to people who are at home and saying that तुम घरा को त्रास पड़ा है गोवा त्रास पड़ा है तुगे बायले त्रास पड़ा है goes as a घरा को no it's just because of a reason because his wife is working and he's doing something at home yeah and like there are some men also ऐसी नहीं की बाबा तो आवशी घरा को बसपा रावलो म्हणून तेकाय जाय तर भार आसता घरा को पळोवपा probably what he can manage at home that wife can do it better outside and he can do it better at home yeah
येस
but mostly कितें आहा चडशी बायल घरापा आहाय आनी घोव कामां वयताय या इन दिस केस चडशी बायलां कॉमेंट येताय की भोंगपाड तेका तुका एकला काम करचो तेचो सारको भागला भोंग साहेबा तेंगे हें काम कोता हें कोता कितलें करपाचें प्लीज तेण तुम केन्ना सांगलें ना की यो बाबा आपणा घराको कितें रांदून दिया या कितें कोन्न दिया या आपणा भुरग्यांक कितें हावया इट इज takes a big heart to a woman to stay at home back and look after their kids. It's not easy, guys. It's really not easy. म्हाका दिसता हांव एक 2 दीस घराको एसो रावले भुरग्यांक नादे एकले काम करतालो आपीस जातालो मोको जावपा नाहलोले बिकॉज ती 5 मिनटांनी कितें जाताय कितें मागताय लायक यू नो पळय तेंगे इट्स नॉट इजी Nadia 8 years it's been Nadia like you know she's been struggled all her life like for the 8 years after marriage ताका इतले त्रास जाले लायक नो पळोवपा भुरग्यां हाडल्यात सो हें कोर तें कोर तें कोर म्हणून
एश न्ही की भुरग्यान त्रास केला
ना भुरगे त्रास कोन्नाय बिकॉज
अदरवायज पीपल माइट से हाव
no 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 don't take wrong like that it's not about because of the kid mentality psychology ki zata see I feel much better when I'm at work because I'm workaholic I like to go to work and I forget about the stress from home सेम लायक यू नो वेन तुम भायर स्वता भायर मेळटा ना तेश को हांगा लोक खूंय केन्ना भायर भोंवपाक वचपा नाहलोले घरा कडेन रावतालोले आ कित्याक भायर वयताय जस्ट चेंज ऑफ मायंड सेम when you're at home 24/7 you need a time for yourself to go to work and then you divert your mind to understand like you know to meet people to talk to people to forget about your work homes yeah तेश कोन जाता पूण येना पूण those women who are at home now looking after the kids and looking after the family heads off for them because it's not that they are at home with their choice there is no choice left that's why they are there there's no helping hand for them sometimes कित्याक फॅमिली आसोन एक एक पाटी लोकां फॅमिलीन आहलो बस चालू आहाय there will be 100 of family like सगळे बर्थडे करतली 10 जाण फॅमिली येतली बालटीम करतली सगळी उबी रावतली पण तूं केन्ना कितें जाय न्ही तेन्ना तुजे बाळ कोण आसपा न्ही there are situations there are stories like this in around that I've seen and I've felt and I've gone through also sometimes but I'm telling you the fact is it's nobody's responsibility, neither your family's responsibility, neither your neighbors or your friends' responsibility to take care of your family. It's your responsibility. That's why the man goes to work and he tells his woman to take care of the family, and the women are at home taking care of, sacrificing their life to take care of it. And heads off to those women because it's not easy to stay at home, cook, look after the kids, clean the house 24/7, same routine. तेंकरेश म्हण आनी लोक म्हणे त्या घराको आसता मरे त्या कितें बोलतरू मुगेले गो तोंडां जायते पाटी येयलो हा तूं कितें गो तूं घरा कडेन आसता मुगो बट आय सेड सॉरी टू हर ऑल्सो म्हणलां हें कित्याक तोंडां येत तें बट रियली आय नेवर फेल्ट बिकॉज इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क घराको रावप फकोण न्ही इट्स नॉट लायक इजी इट्स अ होम प्रिजन कायंड ऑफ अ थिंग आय टेल यू बट when you go to work, people who go to work, they will understand. People who are working and they are looking after the family also, they will understand. So that's why I'm guys heads off to those women. Yeah. And for those people, please stop bothering to the families who, whatever they're doing in their life, they know what they're doing too. Yeah. If I need some advice, I come forward and ask, like, certain things, what we need to do. We always ask that. Yeah. My first advice, go ask, I consult to my wife, like, babe, this is the thing, what do I do? Or she'll ask me. And if things doesn't go, we will ask to our friends who are more maturely we get along with. So we will get a feedback and that we will analyze ourselves. So we don't, nobody comes and, you should do this and that. we don't fit in anyone's shoes. We don't know how it goes. So
Yeah.
that doesn't count. So anyone giving advice now, it will not count anyway. So friends, I hope you all have enjoyed this. The only message was this: please see to the positive things that are around you rather than getting and putting a nose into the middle of somebody people's life. So that is not necessary. Yeah. Be happy about where we live and how happy we are, and pray for those people who are into pain, who are looking for at least a 10% of life that we are living on. Yeah, because it is very, we can't do anything much, we can't do a lot,
Yeah, we
because
can just do prayers.
what we can do is just at least we can pray. Yeah, and we can thank for God for ourselves
Yeah.
for giving us this opportunity to live in another better place. Hope guys you have enjoyed this watching our vlog. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and our final word to say adios.
Adios.